Well, one of us cracked a beer.
Beat you to it.
You guys know my pal Mike. I've known Mike for years. We've had many beverages together. And we both, one thing we got in common is we both love vintage Polaris snowmobiles. And Mike loves them so much, he's going to show you how to make your crappy old seat way, way better.
Oh, wait a minute. We gotta show the crappy old seat first.
Oh, yeah. So this seat was all cracked. This is one of those sleds we got from Charlie. The seat was all cracked and broke, and somebody put that roof repair tape on it. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, no, horrible.
It's awesome.
Yeah. But Mike's got a new product he's going to tell you about and show you how to make situations like this much better. Well, hello, Farley.
Farley likes it.
Farley approved.
Yeah. So.
Come here, Farley. Come here.
This is the Band-Aid. The one and only Band-Aid that myself and my girlfriend are producing in-house. It's just a repair for the seat. You put it on, you can snap it on. You put your snaps on the side, or you can wrap it underneath and you can staple it on. Either way. But
Farley, come here, Farley. Come on.
Farley, you want to tell them all about it?
Farley, get down. You're too much.
So when you get that crack in the middle, you're riding down the trail, your ass is always grinding in that crack. It's uncomfortable. It's just not fun. We have foam backing on the Band-Aid. So once the Band-Aid's on, you can sit on this thing and it feels like a brand new seat again. Well, and it looks awesome.
Look at how good it looks, seriously. And it makes it look kind of like an XCR seat.
It's similar,
you know.
And actually we're working on that, but that'll be a future deal. So
yeah, well, you're close. It'd be a little more foam and one like sewing line somewhere, wherever that lands. And that's what it'd be. But look at this. This is a cheap, easy way for you guys that are either too cheap to do a whole seat cover, or you just feel like you don't have the skills, or you just don't want to pull your seat off of the vehicle. You want to just do something quick and easy in the middle of the winter just so you can keep riding.
You carry one with you when it cracks on that 20 below day when you're going for that ride.
Yeah, you might want to drill, though, for the snaps.
Drill it first, all right. I mean, they're easy. They're easy to throw on, quick.
It's a great product. I don't know why nobody ever thought of this before. It's amazing what snowmobiles have been evolving for, 70 years now, and this is the first time somebody came up with the Band-Aid for the seat.
Yep.
So
it's just out of necessity.
Well, it's cool, Mike. Thanks for showing it to us. And
you bet.
I'm going to put Mike's card in right here. You can say the price if you want.
We're charging $65 a piece for them.
All right, subject to change in the future.
Yeah, obviously,
we don't know what's going to be
and all that.
Yeah, you see a 10-year-old video, who knows?
Right, exactly.
But videos hang around forever. So I'm putting Mike's card in the video right here. In fact, it's probably showing right now. And you don't need to leave a comment. Oh yeah, what do you think DTM means? My duct tape on my lift where all the stickers are, the mic wore off it, so we're gonna have to have Mike redo that.
I'll have to sign that for you.
Yeah. All right, there you go. Thanks, Mike.
Yep. Thanks.